When most people hear the term work-related injury, they think of hurting your back while lifting a heavy object or falling on a wet floor. However, according to the Department of Labor's Bureau of Occupational Health and Safety Administration, 33% of all workers' injuries and illnesses are caused by repetitive strain injuries. What is a repetitive trauma injury? Many different conditions fall under the category of repetitive traumas, including tennis elbow, carpal tunnel syndrome, bursitis, tendinitis, rotator cuff syndrome, Tranger-Figure, and impingement syndrome. In the beginning, many repetitive traumas won't show any real symptoms, or you may only notice pain or tingling while performing one particular motion. Unless treated early on, however, many repetitive trauma injuries can affect a person for a significant period of time. The first thing you need to do if you believe you have a repetitive trauma injury is report it to your employer and request to see a doctor to document and confirm any issues you are having. In Pennsylvania, you are required to receive treatment for the first 90 days from a physician on your employer's list of designated physicians. If your employer does not tell you that you need to do this, then they are responsible for paying the medical care that you receive from your own doctor, even for the first 90 days. After 90 days, you may go to any doctor you wish. You must report your injury to your employer within 120 days of realizing that you have a repetitive stress injury. Generally speaking, your date of injury will be the last date you performed the job that caused the repetitive trauma injury before having any work restrictions. You then have 3 years from the date that you started to experience some disability caused by the injury to file a petition with the Bureau of Workers' Compensation if the workers' compensation insurance company denies your claim. Do you need proof to receive workers' compensation for a repetitive motion injury? You must have an opinion from a physician that, to a reasonable degree of medical certainty, your injury is work-related. Most employers will fight repetitive trauma injury claims and look for other reasons to explain the repetitive stress injury. How much can you claim for a repetitive trauma injury? In Pennsylvania, you may receive the following benefits if it is determined that you are suffering from a repetitive stress or trauma injury: medical bills, temporary partial disability benefits, and temporary total disability benefits. Dealing with workers' compensation is a complicated process. At KBG, we look at every case carefully and do our best to make sure that you receive the benefits to which you are entitled. Schedule a free consultation today.